On 4th of August, the Shell Hair turns 7 years old. 7 years ago, I started this company with a dream and just 2,000 rupees in my pocket. Today, thousands of women trust us with something very personal, their confidence and their hair thinning. Instead of celebrating with other glamorous videos, I wanted to sit down and share 7 confessions, things we have learned, mistakes we have made, and promises we'll continue to keep. But before that, I would like to say that the Scheller is having 25% off site-wide from 1st August to 5th August as a birthday sale return gift to you all. We also have freebies available on orders above 5,000 and 10,000. So I hope you can just go to our website right now and get your freebies and your favorite hair extensions at flat 25% discount. Now let's talk about confession 1. I still get nervous before every launch. People think confidence comes with the experience. It doesn't. Every new product, every sale, every campaign makes me wonder, will our customer like it? Even after 7 years, that feeling hasn't changed. Confession number 2. We have said no to easy money. We could have sold cheaper synthetic hair. We could have compromised on quality. We could have imported products from China and all, and like all the other brands are doing, and call them premium. But we didn't. We manufactured all our extensions in-house in our factory. Sometimes that decision actually cost us the sales. I'd rather lose an order than lose your trust. Confession number 3, every negative review hurts. Founder remember criticism much longer than compliments. Whenever someone has a bad experience, we don't just see as an order. We see it as someone who trusted us. We may not always be perfect, but we genuinely try to improve every single day. Confession number 4. You see the final product. We see the months of work. One topper of work or a wig isn't made overnight. Behind every piece are countless hours of sourcing, knotting, quality checks, washing, styling, and packing. Sometimes weeks go into making something that reaches you in just few days. Confession number 5. I still read your messages. As we have grown, many people assume I no longer see DMs. Truth is, I still read them. The transformation photos, the thank you messages, the suggestions, even the complaints, they remind me why we started the Shell Hair. Confession number 6. This company, Shell Hair, changed my life. It gave me purpose. It gave me confidence. It introduced me to thousands of inspiring women. The biggest achievement isn't sales. It's hearing someone say, I finally feel like myself again. Confession number 7. We are just getting started. 7 years sounds like a long time, but for me, it feels like chapter 1. There are bigger dreams, better products, more cities to explore, more cities to open our offline stores. For example, this one is Jaipur store, more countries, and a lot more women whose confidence we still want to restore. So since we are celebrating our 7th birthday, we wanted you to celebrate with us. From 1st August to 5th August, everything on our website is flat 25% off. And if you've been waiting to buy your first topper, patch, or hair extensions, this is probably the best time. Whether you have ordered once or 10 times, whether you've been following us since day 1 or found us yesterday, thank you for making these 7 years possible. Happy birthday to the Shell Hair. Actually, happy 7th birthday to the Shell Hair. And here's to many more years of helping women feel confident in their own hair.